In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Copilot app on your LG TV. It's the very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, Microsoft Copilot comes integrated as part of the modern WebOS ecosystem on newer LG smart TVs. So rather than a massive, resource-heavy native app, the icons act as a fast-track shortcut to a streamlined web-based AI assistant. So what you want to do is, if you want to launch and set up the Copilot, you just got to press the home button on your Magic Remote to call up your main app ribbon, scroll through your app row and click on the Microsoft Copilot tile. And on first use, review the initial settings prompt to complete the basic configuration. And then what you're going to do is click Let's Talk to enter the workspace dashboard. You can even sign in with your personal Microsoft account to sync system history and get tailored content recommendations if you want to go ahead and do that as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Then you can use the voice interaction if you want to, or anything else. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.